I'm here to show you how to make a taser. I bought 7 high voltage amplifier. That's not the right word. Whatever, amplifiers. I bought 7 of them. It says 400 kilovolts. That's not right. It's maybe 10 at most. I'm pretty sure the max voltage rating on these for input is 5 volts. But what most people do is they use a 9 volt instead. How cool. I don't recommend this. I have gone through like 5 of these and they all break down after a while because of you using 4 volts over what they're rated. So if you want to, you can use double A's instead. It would be 3 double A's in series. We're here to show you how to make cool stuff. I am, no one else. I'm trying an 18650. This is way over what it should be having, but it's cool. Cool like that. Okay, you can hear it that time. I think it's just the batteries. So we are going to stick these closer. Alright, these. Holy cow. See that? Hear that? Yeah, I bet. Gotta test if this one works now in case it was just both the batteries. I'm almost positive it was. Gotta get some new 18650s, man. Holy cow. Tubing's taking off on these. Yep, okay. I'm not sure if you can hear the like air molecules like being all freaky around the outputs. But it sounds very cool. Obviously don't put any conductive surface or anything around the outputs, like a nail for example. If you are making a taser, I would recommend using the ends of nails. Hooking up the 2 wires, put them close together. Okay, good luck making all your weird freaky stuff you make. This is how to make a taser. Okay, bye guys. This will be a quick tutorial that we will need on how to solder wire together. I've also got some heatshrink tubing. This is very cheap. Very cheap. I think this is like $7. Holy cow. It's going to be heating up. We are going to take wire stripper, and this one's very cool. This one comes with a lot of different functions for your wiring needs. I think this goes in 14. No, not 14, 16. 2 stripped 18 gauge wires right there. Not sure if you can see. Okay. And this is all heated up. So now we are going to open up. Hold on, you can see. I'm going to open up the soldering wire. Some out. Comes in a little coil like this. It's very freaky. So we are going to just shove the tip of this straight into the cleaner and rosin. It's like combined. Push that in the corner. Workspace all tidy. Okay. So here we go. They are braided together. You can kind of see. Braided together. Let's get a tiny bit of this. And the rosin is probably already off. throw this onto there. Some more. Okay, here we are. So you can see how it kind of seeps into the wires. The solder seeps into it. Yeah, it like leaks into the center. You can see right there. If it comes out chunky, then, and by chunky I mean like blobby, like visibly blobby on the outside, and it doesn't look as clean and shiny as the one you see right here, then that means I'm pretty sure that the temperature of the wire needs to be hotter so that it bonds better with the solder. Don't quote me. Now, let's put the, okay, here we go, heat shrink tubing. Now, I don't have a lighter right now. I forgot to take one out here. Not sure if this one fits. This is one of the smallest options right here that the heat shrink tubing kit came with. I'm going to slide that onto the wire. I'll put that on the red side so you can see it better. And you can cut this in half actually to save more depending on the length of what you're dealing with. You can cut the heat shrink in half so you can use the other half and not have to use this entire thing. But I cut way too much wire off, so I can't do that. I'm gonna turn off this solder. Okay. So just kind of fit this over. It's being very obnoxious. There we go. Okay. Fit this over. Anyway, you're gonna want to apply the lighter when the heat shrink is over your exposed wires, and it's going to shrink over the tube. So that is how to solder your wire.